Okay, good morning. So here's your close-up with the light. It gets a little better here. Sorry about it's blurry at first. Yeah, I had to zoom out. So go ahead and vote. You know, thumbs up if you think it's a Mandela effect, and thumbs down if you think it's an optical illusion. You know, I'm convinced because I have the paper and because I know my handwriting, but you know, to me, this is a Mandela effect. I'm going to vote myself a thumbs up. So, but feel free, you know, everybody's input is welcome, and I don't feel that people have to agree with anything that I say. So I will go ahead and I'm going to compromise a little bit. I think the right thing to do would be to put a question mark on the end of these titles, like handwritten notes changing. But to me, I'm looking at this, I'm staring right at this, and it's not changing nearly as fast as it was, but it's still changing to me. Both my sons see that it's changing. One of my sons keeps seeing an 8. Like, to him it goes 2, 8, 3, 8, 2, 8, 3, 8. I don't see an 8 at all, you know. Now, so the other thing that I want to point out, why I'm going to vote this up for Mandela for me is because my 3s don't come close like that, like to the middle, like to make a 2, you know. They just, and I've never had any issue in my lifetime of having that I can recall of having a 2, you know, what looks like a 2 where I put down a 3. Now I did check I took the video of the random number generator, so I'll put that in, and it is 7303 is what was generated. And I do believe I see a 2 for long periods of time now. I do believe it's just going to be a 2. So here's a little bit closer up. Light's not so bright. That's when it first started. I first noticed it was changing that morning. So sorry, I'm really trying to hold the camera steady here. I think it didn't want to focus there. So yeah, go ahead and vote. I'm doing my best to show you guys what's happening here. You know, if you think it's an optical illusion, that's okay. That's cool. You know, I am not a sensitive person. Please, everyone, I am not. Please feel free to just confront me directly, you know, with anything. You know, I'm not sensitive. I'm not gonna cry or blow up. So I love you guys. You're my family. You know, you're my family. So, you know, when I say everything that everyone's doing is perfect right now, you know, maybe on the old earth I wouldn't have said that, you know, but I'm starting to see how it is, because, you know, I just woke up that morning and you guys are doing great. You're just doing great. You're doing great. There's no worries. You know, so anyway, what this is, you can do this yourself. StatTrack, computer, random generated numbers. Now I have another paper, none of it's changed, where I used a number generator that uses atmospheric noise to generate random numbers. So you come out with a much different pattern, of course, because these aren't truly random numbers. Now, I'll put in the video, and you'll see on just the little video clip that it's 7303, Yeah, that's the other number generator. The one that's flipping is a 7303. So I'm going to kind of watch that and see if the screenshot there changes to a 7203. So anyway, love you guys. It's just an experiment. Everybody vote. Have a great day. Okay. Mandela Mile wants me to keep recording as long as it's flipping. 2.
Apologize to my coder. She gets the same marks by accident on her body. If I get something here, then she'll get something there. And if I get something there, she'll get something there. Or I get scratched, and she gets bruised, I get bruised.
3.
I get scratched, and she gets scratched.
2.
New one. See how that goes.
3. 2.
People that are connected,
3.
we gotta be careful. Some of us
2.
are connected. Even those
3.
that think you're in
2.
with a crush, you might be connected. You gotta be careful. Be careful. Doesn't mean anything. Don't be sexual about it, though.
3.
But everybody's connected down the line.
2. 3. You hear what Robert just said? 2. Yeah, I'm not gonna let that pass. 2.
We are connected. A lot of us.
No, he's right. 2.
Not the way you think, though. It don't mean having a goddamn orgy.
Yeah.
I've already got somebody.
Yeah,
but
he's
we're
right.
All
He's right.
as friends, family, like brothers
3.
and sisters.
2.
Understand the difference. Huge difference.
3.
Get you guys
2.
on the internet. So last night, my goals are to
3.
get the anomaly back to
2. How embarrassing.
I play music and I talk and I rant and I get pissed and I fucking just go until something changes on my
Yeah, okay.
It either shuts off by itself, throws me all the way out to the beginning.
Alright, you guys are family. I love you. God bless you. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Okay, I'm sick, but I'll show you. 2. 3. 2. Didn't just change. I missed the change somehow. 3. 2. 3. 2. 2. Kind of shifted a little to 3. 3. 2. 2. 3. 2. Say it's mostly a 2. 3. 2. 2. 3. 2. Yeah, 3. 2. 3. 2. 3. too. Now I know too, when I go back and watch these, it doesn't match, the flipping doesn't match what I'm saying, but this is what I'm seeing, so. And my son, he is seeing an 8. I don't see an 8. I've had some comments, a couple of people could see an 8. So, I don't know. Anyway, there it is. Have a great night, you guys. Okay, hopefully you can see there that I pulled up a 7303. 7303. Okay? Love you guys.